I was laying there helpless in the hospital, wasn't able to do anything. I lost my trucks, my business. I lost everything that I owned.
We've all seen other lawyer commercials where they were paid actors, client testimonials, but in the fine print on the bottom of the screen, it says, not real clients. That's not what we want at Venn Johnson Law. Let me introduce you to Burt Holt. We fought for him for nearly 5 years. He was not only a truck driver, but a trucking company owner at a trucking terminal when another truck ran him over.
I'm from Detroit, Michigan. My mother woke up and paralyzed on her left side. She wasn't able to work when I was 14 years old. I was going to school and I was working 2 jobs. I started working for this guy who was making deliveries. I was always told if you could do it for somebody else, you could do it for yourself. So I had the opportunity to do it, and I did. I ended up owning 6 trucks. Well, I'll never forget the day on March 3rd, 2011. I was standing by the side of my truck, and the next thing I knew, I was on the ground getting run over. I was taken to Detroit Receiving Hospital, where they examined me, and they kept me there for a couple of weeks, and then they transferred me over to Rehabilitation Institute of Michigan, and I was in there for 4.5 months. After that time, I was sent to a rehab, and I was there for over a year. While all that time everything was going on, I lost my job, I lost my house. I really lost all hope. Went from being a business owner and everything back to really the same state I was when I was like 14 years old, just starting off with nothing. I was with another law firm. Once they had informed me that they had did everything that they could and that we would be going to trial, then they referred me to Johnson Law. And I've been with them 4.5 years. Everything that they could do to help me, they did. At trial, the insurance company blamed me for the accident, when I was one that got hit and ran over. When the jury came back and they ruled that I wasn't at fault, that was one of the highest points of my life. So we won. 22.6 million. I was speechless. Ben Johnson Law was in my corner when I needed them the most. And they're still in my corner because I can still pick up the phone and call them anytime now. So, I mean, you couldn't ask for any more than that.